Hi Rudy, thanks for taking a few minutes to talk to us today.
Sure.
Nokia IP routing software, the SROs, is reputed to be the best in the industry. What are some of the more recent innovations we've made to the SROS?
Well, yeah, SROS is definitely one of the crown jewels in our IP portfolio. I think the software developing team over the last decade has done a tremendous job delivering us, I think, the richest IP MPLS segment routing feature set, and on top of that, all the services that really matter, right? We have a full BNG for residential subscriber management. We have a whole set of VPN capabilities for enterprise PE or multi-service edge applications as well, and then a whole set of value-added services as well, security gateway, deep firewalling, and many more. So I think it's a very rich feature set, but the OS is more than its features alone, right? I think we pride ourselves in the fact that our design methodology and our test methodology is really best in class, right? We put quality first, and I think that makes us the standard in terms of reliability and robustness and stability. And that's something that our customers really appreciate. Now, in terms of the most recent developments we've been working on over the last 18 months is, basically I would mention three areas. First of all the instrumentation that is needed to enable an insight-driven automated environment. And that's basically two things. It's about providing real-time insight in what's happening in the router and the network. So that's where we did actually a very strong implementation of telemetry in our system, streaming telemetry, on-change telemetry. We have a broad coverage now of all state and statistics in the system with telemetry, and I think we have a very high performance implementation as well. And the other thing related to that instrumentation for automation is providing APIs into the system that are very friendly to software automation, right? Software programmability. So there we basically rewrote our whole management infrastructure, and we now have a full model-driven management infrastructure where, based on Yang models and open config models, of course, you can now use netconf, you can use this new gRPC-based management interface called GNMI, and we have a new model-driven CLI, and all these things are available right now. And even more than that, we now have infrastructure APIs that bypass the routing control plane and or the routing management plane and directly give you access to the control plane, the forwarding plane of the system, so you can externalize your routing decisions and write entries into our systems directly from those control systems. So I think that's a very important feature set that we've been working on for pretty much 2 to 3 years. It's been quite extensive. That's now generally available. Right, I think the second one I would mention is, of course, our FP4 Plus deep field-based router security solution. That's something we've talked about for quite a bit of time. We have the capabilities in FP4 to do filtering based on signatures, patterns, and packets, and that's now commercially available as well. So we can now basically take the scrubbing function in the router for volumetric DDoS attacks. And I think the third one I would like to mention is our whole solution set or feature set around automating connectivity in a hybrid telco cloud environment. We call it NFIX, Network Function Interconnect, but it's really a set of features around segment routing, MPLS, BGP SRTE policy, EVPN, that automates connectivity in a hybrid environment. It enables slicing in a 5G network, for instance, in a very easy way.
Great, well thank you very much for taking some time to talk to us.
All right, good to be here, thank you.